Oldster here. I'm here with Patchy, the Patchy puppy, and I'm going to be doing an adoption video, as you guys can possibly see. So I already had put the code in for Patchy, and that's what the page looks like. Pet type Patchy puppy, and the name I'm going to give him, as I said in the last video. Patchy is going to be a boy. Congratulations on your adoption of Patchy, a boy Patchy puppy, on August 8th, 2014. We welcome another happy Webkinz into Webkinz world.
Well done. Now you are ready to start playing and having fun in Webkinz world.
I'll show you guys his description. Thingy revolver. Congratulations, you have a brand new friend named Patchy. Birthday June 3rd. Species Patchy puppy, gender boy. Hi, I'm Patchy. Thanks for taking care of me. I have been told that I'm adventurous. I'm an adventurous, and a cool dancer. I think taking pictures is really awesome. One of my best friends is a dire wolf. I'll let you in on a secret. I love potato chips, and I always wanted a gumball machine. And that is Patchy. And I will guys show you what he looks like. I can get this to zoom in. There he is. He's so cute. I don't think I'm going to put any clothes on him since I really love his design and he's super cute. Let me see, I'm going to feed him something. You guys can see. I guess I don't have food. Thought I did. Guess not. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!